What's up, guys? Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing the brand new bl2s and comparing it to the Titan 12 turn. Alright, let's get into it. Let's start opening it. Here's the remote, just Traxxas TQ remote, pretty basic. Set that aside. Foam. There it is. I'll see if there's nothing else in the box. Alright, here's the car. Clipless, the manual, and stickers and like tools and shock spacers and this foam thing if you want to use a 6-cell pack. Alright, let's open this up and see what's inside. So the body comes off. Under here there's little clips that you pull on each side. And in the back also. There it is. New power system. You can see it. There it is. Alright, I'll get the stuff off and then get it all ready, and then I'll show you. Here's the new clipless style mounting, which is kind of nice unless there's dog poop and you drive through it. Then you have to stick your hands in the dog poop, which sucks. You can get this kit, which is for your other body. So like if you have an old body, you can put this on there and it'll work the same thing. Alright, so in here we got the new ESC with some weird connector on it for goes to the motor, and there's the motor. 3,300 kV. Now, let's see. So here's that connector. It's like 3-prong, and you won't really be able to plug it a different motor in because Traxxas had to make it stupid. The motor, I'll take it out and see what the gearing is on it, and I'll compare it to the other. What tires is this? It's the BF Goodrich Muds terrains on them. I don't know if this is a new style tire or not. We'll see how it look. Alright, took the gear cover off. It has a 21 tooth pinion and it has an 86 or 83 spur. So it, I believe, has the brushless gear setup. So that should make it faster than that, because that has a 1690. So we'll try it out and see what one's faster. Also, I forgot to mention, it does not come with a battery or charger, so you got to supply that yourself, which is probably, if you want a 2S, it's probably another, and a charger, it's probably another $100 and some. So yeah. By the way, you do have to supply your own batteries for the remote. It does not come with any. Alright, we got it outside now. We're going to try the nickel metal hydride battery first, and then a 5800 2-cell LiPo. Alright, I got the speed tracker in there. We'll do a speed run, and then we'll see how fast it goes. Has pretty good torque off the get-go. That's wide open. Alright, it fell out. So got 25.9 on a nickel metal and then we'll try this one on the nickel metal, and then we'll try this one on LiPo, and then that one on a LiPo. I'll switch the batteries and be right back. Tighten 12-turn motor, and we'll see how fast this goes. The Titan 12-turn slash, the XL5 with the nickel metal hydride, got 23.3. Now we'll try the bl2s with a 2s pack, and we'll see how fast that goes. Alright, so this thing to switch it into LiPo mode is the same as on the other ESC. You just hold it down once it's on till makes that spaceship noise. Now it's in LiPo mode. Alright, this is the bl2s of the 2-cell LiPo. It's pretty fast for only a 2S. Kind of does it weird. Alright, let's see what it is. Alright, let's see how fast it went. 27.2, so like almost 2 miles an hour faster. Thing I noticed, watch this. If you go in reverse, try to hit forward, and then go in reverse, it like don't go right away, which is a little weird. See, nothing. Weird. Brush slash on 2S. This seems slower already. But this isn't a brand new motor either, so. What's going on, but on 2S it only says it runs 20, so I think this motor's probably pretty bad. I've had it in a while, and I raced dirt oval with it, so it's probably dead, the motor. So 23 is top for now. Now I'll give this a little bash around, because I don't think this is winning a drag. So final thoughts on this. I really like the clipless body clip thing. It's really nice. I like that. The car itself is already pretty good proven chassis from Traxxas. It's pretty good. These tires are not my favorite tires. I like the Kumo tires. Those are the ones I like running. The brushless system seems pretty good. It's only 2S though, which is the only thing really limiting, but it's supposed to be kind of a replacement for this. So I get why they did that. And one other thing I did not like about it is how small these wires are compared to this. Like, these are not very thick, and these are on the old one, and they are quite a bit thicker, which that I don't like, because it's easier to solder, but I just don't like it as much because it's not as rugged. Like, if you're pulling on the wires and stuff, I don't like that. I don't like this connector they have on here for the motor, because then you can't really use any other motor or ESC with it. You could solder probably new ones on and probably use it, but yeah. Otherwise, I like it. Works pretty good. It didn't break at all. I didn't bash it super hard though, so I'm sure you could break like these rear axle hubs right here. They broke on my other slash, and a few other people I know slashes, so that's a really part that breaks a lot. And then these shocks, I don't know if these are different because they sell the aluminum shock caps, so they won't fall off. These ones didn't fall off when I was driving it, but on my old slash, they do fall off. So that's about it. I do like the body on it. I think it looks pretty cool. I like it, but I think I prefer this older body style better. I think it looks a little cooler. This is body, and I'm going to put the clipless on, so stay tuned for that. I'm going to convert my other slash to clipless with this body. So that's my final thoughts on that. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe if you like this kind of content. See you guys next time.